this song on while I go to work on this chicken parmesan hero with extra cheese and extra sauce.
And hello and what is up, my friends? My name is Alex and I would like to welcome you to another episode of Grass in Class. And today we're going to be setting up our AIRCUBE hydroponic system from growace.com, as well as unboxing the light that's going to go over these plants for this season. And even though I scrubbed everything down after I used it last season, I made sure to wash it again and scrub it, especially the inside of the hoses, before using it this time around. Also, after washing everything, I make sure to let it sit and dry for at least 24 hours.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say that's the bad guy.
And if you're using hydroton or expanded clay pellet, that definitely needs to be washed also.
I always tell it to you, even when I lie. That's the bad guy. That's the bad guy.
And now that we have everything clean and put together, let's check out the light that we're going to be using for this grow.
So, what'll make you? Good? You're not good. You just know how to hide.
And for this season, we're going to be using the MEDICGROW Mini Sun 2.
It's a bad guy coming through. You're not good. Just know how to hide.
Now this light is a little bit on the heavy side, so if you're hanging it up like me, be sure not to just use the drywall and to have a stud behind it, because like I mentioned, it is a little bit on the heavy side.
Say good night to the bad guy.
And now friends, if you're enjoying the new videos, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe, as it really helps out the channel. And don't forget, hit the bell notification so you can be notified exactly when I'm dropping the next videos, which trust me, you're not going to want to miss out. And before I add any plants, I make sure to run the system for around 24 hours just to make sure everything runs through smoothly. And I also add a little bit of H2O2 to my water just to help clean it out a little bit further.
Undeveloped seeds, all the stems in it, see how immature it is? That's classic brick pack Mexican, that's garbage. Let me see, give me. Okay, it's old too, shit's probably from last year. To be truly effective, a good narcotics agent must know and love narcotics. In fact, a good narcotics agent should have narcotics in his blood.
What, are you gonna smoke that?
Nope, you are.
Hell if I am.
Yeah.
And now friends, let me know what you think of the new videos. If you like the soundtrack, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, I will be leaving links to everything in the description so you can check out and support your local underground artists that helped me with the soundtrack for these videos and future videos. But please be sure to subscribe, as you're not going to want to miss out the plans that are going to go in here. But okay friends, I'm not going to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.
I'll smoke it, man. Give it to me. You want me to smoke it, I'll smoke it.
Nigga, man up, go ahead, y'all get it, yo, get the fuck up and just wait.
Spicy. I like.
Man the fuck up. Finish that shit. Let's go, nigga, let's
It cut you.
Did it cut me?